How to delete liked songs on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on your library. In your library, you can see all your liked songs, playlists, recent artists, etc. Here, tap on Liked Songs from the list. These are the songs that you have previously liked on Spotify. Then, choose the song you want to delete from your liked songs list and tap on the three dots beside it. Now, tap on Remove from this playlist. The song is now removed from your liked songs on Spotify. You can repeat this step for any song that you want to remove from your liked songs on Spotify. So, by following these easy and simple steps, you can easily delete liked songs on Spotify.